In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add an engaging number counter to your Squarespace website using Elfsight. This handy little tool can help you display dynamic statistics or figures in a visually appealing way, grabbing the attention of your visitors effortlessly. Let's dive in and see how you can set this up step by step. To begin, you'll need to head over to elfsight.com. Once you're there, you'll want to create a free account if you haven't signed up already. This will allow you to access a selection of widgets designed to enhance your website's functionality. After signing up, browse through the widget gallery. It's an impressive collection with plenty of options that can transform your site, but for today's purpose, we're interested in the counter widget. Simply type counter in the search bar and select number counter. Now it's time to customize your counter. You have the flexibility to set the numbers, both start and end, according to what you want to display. This feature can be particularly useful for showcasing milestones, countdowns, or statistics. Following this, you'll want to choose the animation speed and style. Consider what kind of impact you want the counter to have. Faster speeds create a sense of urgency, while slower speeds might suggest a more considered growth. Next, you can personalize fonts, colors, and icons to match the overall design and aesthetic of your website. This step is all about ensuring that the counter not only functions well, but also looks integrated and natural on your page. Once you're satisfied with the styling and settings, click on the Save button. This saves your progress and prepares your widget for implementation. You'll then see an option to get code, which provides you with an embed code. It'll look something like a string of text surrounded by